So now we're going to challenge the Pilates shoulder bridge. So we're going to firstly put a little bit of tension onto the thighs into abduction. Now you can do this with the Sveltus band in either pockets 7 and 8 if you want a little bit of less tension, or pockets 4 and 5 if you want a little bit more tension on the thighs. Freddie's quite small, so she's going to go with 4 and 5, which gives her a little bit more tension on her thighs. We're also going to use the Sveltus weighted ball in the shoulder bridge exercise. Lovely. So sitting nicely upright onto the sit bones, head on a shelf, let's centre, zip up through the pelvic floor. Just enjoy that lateral breathing by letting your shoulder girdle go back in the pockets and using that powerhouse as you roll down all the way into a flat position with your legs in an A-frame. Once you're in that position, just shift your head down a little bit on the mat so you're really comfortable. Now, let's align the shoulder bridge and centre in the floor position. So take the feet, the knees and the hips away from each other a little bit till you've got tension into abduction on the band. Keep a straight line from the hip, knee to ankle. Now you're going to put one hand down the side of the body and one finger on the ball. Place the ball between your belly button and pubic bone in that triangle that you want to use the resistance on as you come up. So let's centre, zip up through the pelvic floor, draw the belly button in about 30%. Take that one hand that's not on the ball to the ceiling and drop the shoulder girdle to touch the mat. Take that little finger back to the floor. Make the neck really long at the back. Imagine that oppositional energy and your head is being pulled away from your feet, from the crown of your head. So using your heels and your glutes, your bottom, to drive up. We're going to drive up into the shoulder bridge. Inhale to prepare, exhale as you move. Inhale at the top, coming back down, articulating from the top of the spine, one vertebra at a time, pulling into C-spine, coming back down. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, draw up. Now your precision marker here is, can you articulate from the top of the vertebra as you come down and from the bottom of the vertebra as you drive up, rather than hinge. Now we're going to make it just slightly more challenging. So if you take the ball in both hands with a blade, point it to the ceiling, drop that shoulder girdle back down, keeping the shoulders away from the ears and the neck long at the back. Let's drive up into the shoulder bridge again, staying really centered. At the top, I want you to inhale, rotate to one side, exhaling as you go, inhale back to center, exhale, rotate to the other side. Inhale back to center, keep the power through the glutes, keep driving up into that straight line. Inhale, exhale, over, one more to the other side, drive that glute up, drive through the heels and the glute, keep that nice alignment, belly button in, inhale here and return. From one vertebra at a time, don't put the bottom down first, put the top of the spine down first. Well done.